Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is organizing all of my beauty products. We're going to be doing a massive declutter and I have all my beauty products right here on my island. I've been doing a little spring cleaning series here on my channel where I'm trying to get my home a little bit more organized and more put together. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button so I know that you guys love this content and leave me a comment down below. I am going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 2,000 subscribers. So definitely a good time to be a subscriber on my channel. Let's jump right into the organizing.
Hey guys, voiceover Melissa here. So I just wanted to tell you I got all of these bins from Target, I want to say last year. I'll see if I can find them and link them down below, but if not, I might be able to find something similar. I'm not sure if they still sell them, unfortunately. I have been in such a spring cleaning mood lately. I've been going through every room of the house and just taking stuff out that we don't use or haven't used since we moved in here. And quick little update, we're probably going to be staying in this apartment till the end of our lease. I know I said previously that we were moving out early, but it looks like we're going to be staying out through the duration of our lease. Just a little update. And yeah, I've gotten rid of so much stuff today and it feels amazing. I love decluttering.
The first bin is done. This is hair care. So I got rid of all of this stuff. I'm gonna make a pile of my giveaways and I'll probably donate what I can, give my sister and my mom what they want. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna deal with the stuff that I get rid of. And now I have one of these extra Look Fantastic clear bags for when I travel, but I can also put sample sizes in it. So that's what I did here. Anything that was a sample size or small travel size, I put in here. And then yeah, I basically kept my Briogeo, my Olaplex, my Color Wow, and my Living Proof products. That was basically like the gist of the larger products that I kept. But now that I see I have a ton of samples of shampoo and conditioner, so I don't think I'm gonna buy any shampoo in the Sephora sale, and I'm probably only gonna stock up on one refill for my conditioner so I can use some of these that are in here that I've been wanting to try. This next one is kind of a huge category. It's all of my face products and then body products. So I'm gonna try to start with the face products and then move into the body products because there's just so much in here.
As I was going through all my beauty products, I realized that I really don't use masks anymore. It's kind of like outdated for me. I'm not a huge fan of them. So any face mask, eye gel mask that I had, I pretty much gave away. I did keep some of my masks that are like resurfacing masks that are in tubes. But yeah, as far as sheet masks, I think I'm over that trend. It seems a little wasteful and also I just don't think to apply them. I forget they exist. So yeah, not gonna use those anymore. But I'm also interested in your guys' spring cleaning routines. Have you guys been spring cleaning? Are you into it, or do you just clean so much throughout the year that you really don't have much to declutter throughout the seasons? I wish I cleaned a little more throughout the year. We're working on it. We're working on it. This is so random too, by the way, total random side story. So I'm editing this video and I have YouTube up in the background, and I saw that Christina Braley posted a new video, which I haven't watched yet, but in the thumbnail, she has a picture that she bedazzled her voiceover microphone. And I kid you not, I have been in the mood to like put crystals on something, like bedazzle something. I don't know why, it's the weirdest thing, but I just had this intense need to like crystallize a cup or something. And I also need a voiceover mic, so I think I'm gonna do that.
Okay, here's what's in my declutter so far. This is filling up. And then these are all of the face products and treatments that I'm cleaning. So it went from 2 bins of face products down to 1, which is absolutely great. I'm gonna make sure that in my Sephora sale that I don't buy any more cleansers. I don't need any moisturizers. I did repurchase my hyaluronic acid serum already, which I needed, so I got that. But other than that, I'm good. This bin behind me actually also is stuff that I'm giving to my sister. So doing a lot of decluttering lately. So yes, this stuff is now going to go in the pile next to the hair care, and I'm gonna move on to the body care.
This song is such a bop. everything. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I didn't go through that was already on my vanity. I use all of this stuff every day. I'm not going to declutter any of it. That's why it's out here. This is all the stuff I'm currently cycling through. Before I move on to this stuff, I'll give you a little overview. So down here is all of my like mouth products. So little flossers, extra toothbrushes. This is all of my hair care products. So shampoos, conditioners, stylers, masks, all of that is in here. Right here is just hair like accessories. So I have a big brush in here for when I was doing blowouts. And then I'm gonna put more hair accessories in here, like hair ties, and then my little clips for when I do my hair. These come in handy so much. And then right next to it, I have my actual hair tools and my long Dyson barrel attachments that are a game changer. So that's where I'm gonna put all of this stuff. Now coming up right here is my empties. This is stuff that I'm saving to do an empties video for you guys. So I like to see it so I remember to put my empties in here because sometimes I forget, you know. Right here is kind of like miscellaneous. So it has all my deodorants and then some tools like shavers, a face scrubber, my cotton rounds for taking off makeup. I have some like Mega Babe in here. This thing I got from a hotel, a loofah. Just, you know, random body stuff and hand sanitizers. So if I need anything for my body that's kind of like a tool or an extra deodorant, and by the way, I stocked up on the sugar cookie deodorant during the holidays because I love this and I didn't want, it was limited edition and I wanted to use it throughout the year. So that's why I have so many deodorants, but it's handy to have them on hand. And if you notice, I took all of the tags off of my bin clips. I didn't like how they were warping because I didn't protect them from the water, and my shower is right here. So I'm going to be making new labels, but I'll have to do that at a later time just because I wanted to get through all the organizing first, but I'm super excited with the progress. So let me finish showing you what's in the bins. So right here is all of my body care. So this is everything from feet masks that I forgot I owned because they were in my nightstand and I didn't see them. So now that I see them, I can use them. And it's like body scrubs, body lotions. This is gonna have to go back on my nightstand. I always keep a lotion on my nightstand. I just wanted to pull out literally every single beauty product that I own that was anywhere around the house because I wanted to collectively have them all together. So yeah, and here is masks, skin fix, scrubs, all of that. And then this one, I'm pretty shocked. I got my skincare and my skin treatments down to one bin. So I have this Look Fantastic little clear thing for my samples. And I have everything in here from moisturizers to exfoliating treatments for your face, my favorite makeup remover, moisturizers, and fun fact, if I have a moisturizer, let's say I have this Pride 24 karat gold wrinkle repair cream, if I don't want to use this on my face because I'm using up other moisturizers and I don't want it to go bad and there's no sense in getting rid of it, I'll use it on my body. Like there's no reason why you can't use up skincare on your body. Right now I'm trying to eliminate the KP on my arms or just kind of make it go away just a tiny bit. So I've been using moisturizers and different treatments for my face on my arms and it's been working so well. So that's a little fun tip for you guys. So you can use up your products and get the satisfaction of like having an empty, but not using it in the conventional way. So just keep that in mind. So that was the whole second row. So now the third row up is stuff that I don't reach for as often. So this is kind of like my health bin. It's just like medicines, wound wash, band-aids, stuff like that. This is my nail bin. I didn't go through this. Recently, I talked to you guys about me starting dip nails. I actually didn't do my nails before the video. I forgot I meant to. But I might honestly get rid of this entire bin because I am loving my dip nail system. It's absolutely amazing. I do it myself. You can get it done at a nail salon, but I find it so much more affordable to just do it myself. It doesn't look salon quality, but I'm working on it and honestly, I'm in love with it. So this entire bin might go. I might just give it to Nick's little sisters because they love doing their nails. So I'll see if I want to get rid of this or if I still like having conventional nail polish on hand. It just doesn't last on me. So then in this bin, I just have room fragrances and some poopery. In case guests come over, I don't want them to feel awkward, even though it's a natural thing. So I just have that. I have this Air Wood Febreze. It is so good for fall and winter. I'm just probably gonna use it right now, to be honest with you. It's just so sultry. It's delicious. I'll link all the stuff that I have down below that I talk about specifically. And then what's in here is my laundress Fabric Fresh spray. This isn't the one from my haul. This is another one that I have. that I forgot that I had because it was up here. So now I have 2 in different scents, which is great. And then the last bin up here, I made myself like a little period pack. So I have my pads, my medicine, and then back there are little heating pads. So that is that 3rd shelf up, and then the last one are all empty. There's nothing in these. So I've got rid of 4 bins. The last bin is right here, and this is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Now, really quick, I want to go through my makeup just really fast and declutter that while we're out and about.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
All right, I went through all my makeup and all of the stuff I'm getting rid of. It's really not that much. These 2 are empties. I'm going to put those in my empty bin. And then this stuff is just stuff I don't really reach for. I don't like. Like, this wasn't as good as I thought it would be, and I have a different product I like better. This I've had for just so long. I don't wear red. These, they were okay, but I have other lip balms I like better. I never curl my lashes, you guys know that. I still need to get rid of the boxes that are behind me, but multiple angles, and I need to clean my dusty mirror. That's still on the list. But yeah, so I'm done going through my makeup. These are all the products that I'm either donating or giving away, and I am so happy that they are finally out of my collection. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We have reached the end. I'm so happy that I could get so much out of my collection and get ready for the new stuff that is coming in from Sephora. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. I put out videos every Thursday and Sunday, and it's all on fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content, and everything in between, really. It really runs the gamut here on this channel, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.